up? It's Danielle. So for today's video, I have something that is so beyond exciting. I went ahead and I ordered a Filofax pocket size in the Holborn, and I'm going to do an unboxing with you guys. So I have two other things that I'm going to share with you. One of them is a hole punch. I decided not to, venture into the world of Filofax again without a proper hole punch meant for a Filofax. So I did get one of those. And the last thing that I got are just some top loading envelopes. So anyways, I'm going to start with the stuff that is not as much fun. Like the hole punch is first. So I am being totally honest when I say that I screamed when I saw this at my doorstep because it's just the most exciting thing ever. So this is the first thing. It is by KW Trio. I don't know. It had good reviews on Amazon, so that's really all that I cared about. And it is an adjustable 6-hole punch. So that's what the box looks like. And I think this is meant more, or the size is like perfect is what I was trying to say, because it is small. This isn't the right one. Nope, it is. Just kidding. So if I wanted to go back to, say, like an A5, I could definitely do that. Why does everything have to have plastic on it? Like, seriously. Okay. So if I wanted to go back to A5, I totally could, because it does have this, or that's not the right one. Nope, it is. I just can't pull it out for some reason. So there is an extender that is incredibly difficult to take out, but this is what it looks like in case you're wondering. So I think in the picture that was made of metal. So that's going to be sort of difficult, but you get the idea. You can basically like move that up and down depending on what size page you have. You get the idea. So the next thing, like I said before, just some top loading envelopes. I did pick these up from Etsy just because I couldn't find any on Amazon, and all the ones that I did see were kind of janky. All right, apparently I didn't buy top loading envelopes. I bought ones that have like zippers on them, which I didn't think I did. I could have sworn I bought ones that were top loading envelopes, but these are by Brooklyn Grace. So that's what they look like. Why do I feel like I got the wrong thing in that order? We'll find out. We'll find out. I'm going to check Etsy. Maybe I just am mistaken. I don't know. But we'll find out. So the last thing is definitely the best. Now, I did buy this off of Amazon. And let me tell you, it took forever to get here. And what I mean by forever is I have Prime, so I'm used to things getting here in like 1 to 2 days. This took like 2 weeks. So definitely was not a happy camper about that. But this is what the box looks like. And here we go. I'm gonna open it up. So right there you can see. And look at that, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I gotta do this slowly so that I enjoy it because I've been waiting for this. I've been eyeballing this for quite a while now, but I didn't take the plunge till a couple weeks ago, so. All right, so this only came in one color, which I was perfectly fine with, but here it is. So it is like a deep brown, and I'm actually going to take off all this plastic so that it's not glaring. But this is what the Holborn looks like. And if you can't already tell, like I said, it is kind of like a dark brown, which I actually like, to be honest, especially for what I'm going to use it for, which is a wallet. So if you guessed that correctly, congrats. But what I really love about this is the leather is super, super smooth. I know that these age really, really well if you take care of them. There's somebody who many of you probably know in the planner community, Vivara from Peanuts Planner Co. She actually has one of these in black, and I think she's had hers for a couple of years, but I know that she uses it as a planner and as her wallet. So, you know, I always love that idea. How mine is going to pan out, I'm not entirely sure, because I do have a couple more items coming in from Etsy that will give it more of like a wallet feel, if that makes any sense. But other than that, I did buy some inserts for this specifically from Peanuts Planner Co. because she was having a sale, I think for Valentine's Day, which Jane, by the way, thank you for telling me about that, because I wouldn't have known if you wouldn't have sent that to me on Instagram. If you guys are wondering, Jane is my cousin. She and I have a love of planners. So anyways, I'm going to open this up. So like I said, I really love the snap on this because I feel like it's very secure, but it's also not going to start to look all dingy. I used to have a Filofax pocket in the Saffiano. I was not a fan towards the end because right here where you touch it the most started to kind of like peel off, because the Saffiano is like, it's just basically like textured plastic. So if you hear that, my cat Mochi is rummaging through boxes and stuff. But anyways, that was really what turned me off from the Saffiano. Same thing with the A5, because I did have it in the A5 as well. Just didn't want to deal with that anymore, which was actually how I found the ARC. So, would you stop? Excuse you. So, that's basically how I came to this decision. And also, I've seen people use these for wallets all the time, and I was like, I want that life again. So, this is what it looks like when you open it. And as you can see, you have all the inserts over here, and then you have 4 card slots. So I'm probably going to put my license in here, and then, you know, like, I don't know, maybe like credit card, debit card, and then have my other credit card up here that I use most often. So this is exciting. And let's see, I haven't seen actual Filofax inserts in years, I think. So they did not give me a plastic. Normally I thought they came with like a plastic sheet on the front, but I guess they don't anymore. So this is just like, I don't know, just like a random little plastic sheet. And then you have all of the dividers. There's 6 of them in total, which I did go ahead and purchase some of those off of Etsy as well. They're handmade and the designs looked so cute. So I'm going to share those with you guys when they come in. And like I said, I do have one other order that does pertain to my pocket Holborn, which will not be here until probably mid-March, just because it is a handmade object. So got some to-do pages, and then it gets like into the note pages, and you have like different colors for all of that. It's really hard to do it this way. And then you get into contacts. Let's see. You have colored note pages, cute little ruler, which I love. And that's even like a brown color. That's actually kind of cool. All right. Coming in clutch, Filofax. So then it automatically goes into November, not November, what am I saying? 2019 is what I was trying to say. And these are all week on 2 pages, and it has them through all the way through the end of this year. Got a couple note pages, just like that. And then there's just like the little Filofax thing in the back. And top loading envelope. In the back, there is a pen loop, which obviously is pretty small, so I don't even know if I'm going to be able to use that. And then there is a slip pocket right here, like towards the inside, if you can see that. And then right here, there's another slip pocket. And there's also a zippered pocket on the inside of that, if you couldn't see, which I apologize, I forgot to mention this. There is a slip pocket in the front right here, as well as this one right here. Now, the best feature about the entire thing is actually the wallet pocket on the top. So that is definitely, I'm sure, going to be my favorite thing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look into my new Filofax. I actually got home early from work today, so I think I'm gonna stay up late just setting this up. So that being said, I also have to clean my apartment because I got new cleaning products, so yay. But that being said, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. And one last thing, because I have one more package left, but it does not pertain to Filofax. So if you only wanted to see the planner stuff, you can, you know, you can do whatever, do your thing now and leave the video. I have one more package. It is from my lovely padre, my awesome father. So a little bit of backstory on this. My dad and I share a love of pickles. And yes, I know some people, they're just like, yeah, that's gross. But we always, when I was younger, were trying to find like the perfect pickle. So we found them, and unfortunately they only sell them, I think, in Wisconsin and Minnesota. So that being said, every once in a blue moon, my dad will give me pickles. And if you guys live in Wisconsin or Minnesota, you probably have seen what I'm talking about. They are the Milwaukee pickles, and they are the baby kosher dill. So yes, my dad did send me a giant thing of pickles, and yes, this girl is excited as all hell. So anyways, it's kind of leaking. So at least I'm going to smell delicious for the rest of the night. But anyways, that is all that I have for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any tips for, you know, converting my wallet into a pocket-sized planner, please let me know, because I've never done this before and I'm kind of curious to see how it's going to pan out. So again, if you have any advice, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye, guys.